Recently, Charu has broken the toilet. After a return of 2 hours, it's now working, and I still have my Right, come on, Charu.
No, I'm so bad. Oh God. Scary.
No, don't. Leave it. Charu must climb up first, as she's the main contestant.
She's the main contestant. Judy. Oh God. Oh, Michael. Michael's wet.
Whoa! It's flooded.
Michael, I think it's cool.
Oh, wait, I'm not even done. Whoa, it's just... The toilet is leaking out of its own will.
Michael!
No, don't close it, just let the water come out.
Michael, no!
It's gonna do it for half an hour. Charu has snackered it. It's having a piss.
No, it's better when you're inside though.
No, don't leave it. Just leave it there.
Did someone close it? No.
Just leave it there. Just walk away.
I thought it was someone else. I was like, guys, I wasn't it. What's going down there?
It's not stopping.
Michael, the water's going everywhere. Look at the one bit of the tissue's still dry.
Charu, you've knackered it.
Oh, you down, mommy? Yeah. Don't. Thank you. Michael, shut the door. Shut the door.
It's going to come out anyway, because it's going to hit the back of the door and come out.
Just shut the door then.
This is cuckoo view. As you can see, the toilet just went out of its own will to flood itself.
Michael, someone's shouting.
Look at the mess.
Michael, look at the flash. Michael, you've caused them really. Yeah, I'm done, isn't it?
No, don't.
I think someone had a really long accident.
Is it dying off?
Ethan God.
It's flooded without our consent.
It's on. It's finished. It's finished.
Right, come on, then we'll go in.
Please wait.
The toilet has stopped at its own will.
What if it does that again?
And it has made lots of mess. Go in and flood it.
No, I get lost. I'm not going in by myself.
No, just go in and flood it.
No.
I want to see if any more comes out.
No, I'm not going by myself. I didn't like doing it by myself. Michael, come in with us then. No, keep it open.
Just go in. Just stand up.
Only if someone comes in.
And then when the toilet seat lifts up, just flood it.
No.
Just go
I'm
on.
not getting by myself.
Oh, how Bobby? You can swing on someone's washing line, but you can't do this. It's not even scary. Look, if it doesn't, if for whatever reason it doesn't work, just press the emergency exit. Guaranteed to open. It's not electrical at all.
I'm not getting it. Only if
Drew, this way.
Michael.
Right, that's it.
Oh, Michael, no. Michael, no. No.
In you get. Climb up.
But you're gonna go out.
Climb up.
You're gonna go out.
Climb up.
Don't go anywhere, okay?
Climb up.
I mean it. Oh, well done then.
Yeah.
Oh, should I have done Wait. That was quick. Shit, I think I'm the rock.
The toilet just give in. It is not.
Yeah, if that water comes out, I'm not gonna be.
Oh, Rock!
The toilet's broke.
What's it doing?
The
toilet. Michael's gonna flood it! The toilet's crackers. Charu has definitely broke it.
Yeah, close the door. You're allowed for 20 minutes. Oh, God, Again. What's the same? Please wait.
Shh, it's credits. This is Charu's terror toilet. Charu, say some words towards the toilet. Did you break it?
No.
Did you break it?
I did not break it.
What made you design this fantastic creation? Do you mind I'm doing an interview?
Oh well.
What made you do this fantastic creation?
Nothing. What was that?
Did you create this? Did you just copyright someone else's ideas?
No, it was my own.
So you thought of it all by yourself?
Oh yes, I did.
Right then, chuff. Do you get how
Yeah.
much? Do you get 10p profit, or does some of it go towards carrying the water in the loo?
What's this blue? What's this blue? What's the button do? What? No, I get the 10 pence.
You get all the 10p's.
Yes.
Will you be flooding it again in the future?
Oh my god, no. Not after all this.
That was a yes. Join next week's episode of Charu Flooded the Toilet. Join us next time.